My name is Cheryl Kaplinger, and I'm on the site of Liberty Center Blues and Barbecue. As you can probably tell, there's a little bit of some growth out here and some weeds, primarily because the event was supposed to happen a month ago at the end of May, but we were stormed out. And the lawn had been mowed and it had been all prepared, and when we were stormed out, some tables went through the tents and destroyed things. And even though the rest of the day was gorgeous, this area was a complete swamp. And we decided that we would pursue a rain date. And with the approval of City Council, we've been able to reschedule our event for Saturday, July 23rd. And it's because of the support of City Council that we're able to have our Liberty Center Blues and Barbecue Redux on Saturday, July 23rd. If we had walked away on May 29th after the storm, then not only would our vendors have been unhappy, but people in the public would be disappointed. We received several emails and phone calls saying, what about the fireworks? We were so looking forward to coming out and listening to some blues. We were really looking forward to the barbecue and just having a day out at Liberty Center. Are you going to have a replacement date? So City Council agreed to loan us $12,000 to have the event again. And that helps cover the costs, and many of our vendors and our donors have given us discounts and given us extra funds in order to have the event again. The event will be Saturday, July 23rd. And we plan for it to be from noon to 10, just as it was previously scheduled. The alternative, of course, is that it's on a Saturday instead of a Sunday. Most of our food vendors will be returning. What will be slightly different, however, will be our musician lineup. The person that was going to be in the middle of the day, unfortunately, is booked in Canada during the time that we'll have our event. So our lineup will be Bob Dorr, Kevin Burt, Dave Zolo, and instead of the Avey Brothers being here, we'll have Ellis Kill from the Quad Cities. So that's our lineup. We'll still have the inflatables and lots of games and the fishing. And we're still hoping for some great weather and a good day of fun. We are looking for volunteers. Not just from the setup and teardown, but to the day of activities. Everything from helping us pick up the trash to checking beer tickets to even serving beer. We need everyone's help, and it's a free community event, and the reason that we say that is because it truly is based around community. It's because of the interest of the community that we have the event in the first place, and that we even considered having a rain date. Now, if it rains again, then it's just the heavens telling us it was not meant to be for 2011. So we don't have a secondary rain date if it pours on July 23rd. That's just, you know, the heavens telling us it just wasn't meant to be. So the event is fairly new. It's only in its 5th year, and it's already grown from what we thought would be a few hundred people to several thousand people coming out for a single day. And we realized that it's best if we actually schedule a rain date in the future. So most likely what we'll do for our 6th annual in 2012 and from here on out, most likely is we'll schedule the event to be the Saturday of Memorial Day weekend rather than Sunday, and the Sunday will be our rain date. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how this rain date goes and what kind of changes we'll have and how that works out for people. So if people have questions about the event, about our lineup or activities, they can always go to the website, which is northlibertyowa.org/blues-and-BBQ. That's BLUES and BBQ. If people are interested in coming out and volunteering, finding out more about the event, the games, the schedule, that's where they'd find it out. So come out and join us on Saturday, July 23rd for one day, one party, one cool time, one more time.